Hey guys, what's up? Glad to see you all today. Found another beautiful spot to hang out at. We are somewhere just outside of Altadena, but as you can see, the sun is setting and it's an absolutely perfect day out here. One question I've been asked a lot is, how do I find a place to shoot? How do I know where to go and shoot? Honestly, I just drive till I find a place, and once I find a place, I usually find a good angle on it that's unique, a unique perspective, and then I just go from there. So you never know where it's going to be a good place to shoot until you start shooting there, but usually you can tell by the lighting, the background. You know, if you take a look around here, look at the sunset, got some pretty cool drone footage. So just finding a spot is difficult sometimes, but you just got to keep driving until you find one. If you don't do this already, one thing is to check out the areas you're already visiting. So if you got to run to a store that's in a funky area, if you got a client that's in a different part of town, look at the map, look at the air maps, see if there's a good spot nearby you can take off. Maybe there's an undisclosed area, or maybe there's an area that's less explored. Make your way over there. I found some beautiful hiking trails and a nice path today. Got really lucky with this abandoned area. It's Sunday though, so look around. You never know when you're gonna get lucky and what you're gonna find. Mark those spots on a map. That way, if you're ever nearby, or if you're in a bind, or if you have a few extra minutes, go ahead and pull that up in your phone and then stop by. That's what pins are for. So drop a pin, remember that location, and happy shooting out there, guys.